To pick up shifts and view HotSchedules, start by logging into your account and navigating to the top left corner, where you'll find a navigation panel. Click on this panel, hover over the Home button, and select My Schedule. This will redirect you to a new page, where you'll see a badge displaying the number of available shifts to pick up since you last viewed the screen. Clicking on the Available Pickup button will show you a list of available shifts for the current and following week. You can view details of the shifts by clicking on the button for the day you're interested in, which will open up a new window with a Pickup Request option. In this window, you can review all available shifts, including the name of the person who released the shift, the assigned location, and your position in line to pick up the shift. Additionally, you'll be informed of any shifts already scheduled around the one you're trying to pick up. Once you've selected a shift, check the box and click Request Pickup. You'll then receive a notification that a manager needs to approve your request before the shift is assigned to you. The process is relatively simple and straightforward, allowing you to easily pick up shifts and manage your schedule.